when I was a child, I was taught different things about what girls can do and cannot do than when I moved to Central Europe. And I saw these two sides, and I thought, this is all a construct. It has nothing to do with me. From moving from country to country and seeing different cultures, and also, well, that my gender probably helps me to see how everything is interconnected and how whatever we do is one part, but then all these other parts have to be taken into account.
I think as a female engineer, I feel we have the capacity to look at a problem not in a linear way, meaning when we try to solve a problem, you find a solution to it, there's a huge possibility there will be some byproduct problems. So I think we have that tendency to look from a bigger picture.
As I went to the school in the local area, it seems weird that I'm working so close to home, but it's nice to have the opportunity that I didn't have to go and move far away from where my parents live. I could stay local, and it's nice that we have the opportunity here in Wales to make a difference for Wales and for our local environment, and helping to create jobs within the area and replace some of the industry and jobs that we've lost throughout the decades within Wales.
As to me, the best part of being a woman in engineering is that I can inspire other girls to get into engineering. You get to create things, you get to build things, you get to use your creativity in different ways perhaps women are not used to.
I'm not going to say there's not been difficulties, because there has, especially with, for example, I was looking for jobs once I finished my PhD, and that was tricky. I was looking for jobs in steelworks as engineers because I'd had the experience here, and went to several interviews, and they just doubted that I would want to work there because of the environment and because I was female. And I was sort of throwing myself at them going, I really want a job, and they were kind of going, well, we're not sure. And it was like just frustrating. Yeah. But in academia, it's not like that really. And Tata are fantastic, and everyone on site is fantastic. So I find it a really nice place to work, actually. I really enjoy it here.
One thing I've noticed that I have to try a bit harder to be heard by my teammates, but you have to be assertive and you have to put your ideas forward and try to believe in yourself, essentially.
But I think we still need to overcome that prejudice, and sometimes I would feel that challenge, that I would be seen as a weaker part of the society. So it's like I have to keep on proving myself again and again because I'm a woman.
If you have to defend and really justify why you are there, that will make you a very qualified person to do the job, because it's not taken for granted that you can be there, which means that if you manage to be there, you can build up a confidence that you actually belong there, because despite all the things that went against you, you're still there. So that means you really are able to do something. So it does have positives as well. It's not all negative.
We are towards better times, we are changing, and that mindset is changing, and I think, yeah, we're building a better society out of it.